Alright, today we're going to look at a new Zippo. Haven't had one for quite a while. Anyway, this comes with that extra sleeve, a nice little cardboard sleeve, and it says it's a 1941 brass vintage. And it does come in a special box. And that says a week's trial, then all the while. Same thing on the back, 1941. Brushed, I think that's brushed. Brushed brass vintage. It's got the warning, the P65 idiot warning. And this was manufactured in Bradford, PA. So here is the Zippo, and it's got a special insert. It says 1941 Replica. Here's the Zippo. Yeah, it's brushed brass, kind of a matte finish. And it is the 1941 Replica. Here's the stampings, and you can see right here, right there, it says 1941 Replica, made in USA, and it is from D of 24, that is April of this year. Got a real nice sound. Now the body of this is brass, but the insert is a brass colored steel. It's a steel insert, just brass colored. Fires up nice. Let's see what one of these Zippos weighs, just as a curiosity. So this thing weighs 1.2 ounces, as opposed to another Zippo. This is an armored Zippo. You can see that little armored, that little A in the shield with a flame. That means armor. This is another nice brass. But these are a little bit thicker, so it should weigh more. Well, that looks like it says 1.8. Check that out. So that is actually 2.3 ounces. That's the armored Zippo, as opposed to the regular Zippo, which is 2.1. There's a little bit of difference because this one is thicker. I do have several of these 1941 replicants, but they're always nice to have. Lights up nice. Let's do a drop test, a lit drop test. And the drop test is to see if this thing stays lit if you drop it. I know that's hard for some people to understand, but this one passes the drop test. That is a nice 1941 Zippo replicant. And of course, being made in the USA definitely deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bomb.